All right, number 8, we want to use the graph of G. It has vertical asymptote at x equals 1, horizontal asymptote at y equals -2 and y equals 1, and we want to find the limits of g of x as this function goes to -infinity, positive infinity, to 1 from the left, and to 1 from the right. So all we're going to do is just be reading the graph. If we look at the graph of G, the whole thing, the blue line, we're going to go toward -infinity. So as I'm going to the left forever and ever and ever, this graph is flattening out and approaching this red dotted line, which is at y equals 1. So we would just say the limit as this graph goes to -infinity is 1. Then we think about the same thing, but we're going to positive infinity. So we're going to the right, just going forever and ever and ever. This graph, the blue line, is flattening out, getting closer and closer to this red dotted line on the right side. The one at the bottom, this is equal to -2. So we say that limit is -2. As we think about approaching the x value of 1 coming from the left, so now I'm going toward the x value of 1, which is this vertical dotted line. As I go toward 1 from the right, the graph shoots up to positive infinity. And then as I think about approaching the x value of 1 from the right hand side, so as I'm coming toward 1 from the right, this graph starts going down forever toward -infinity. All right, number 9, we want to find the limit of this polynomial. Okay, so the limit of polynomials, you just want to think about in behavior. Let me go back to this diagram just to kind of show you. We look at this polynomial, it has a 3, that is our degree. So when I talk about degree, we have an odd degree. So either I'm looking at, as I go to positive, we're going to positive infinity. As I go to negative, I'm going to negative. Or if it is a negative coefficient, it'll just be flipped. So the coefficient is a +2. So that tells me as I go to positive infinity, I'm also going to positive infinity. So this is just the same as in behavior. Of course, you can plug in numbers and see what happens as the number gets bigger and bigger, but it's the same trend as in behavior.